Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vitamin D3 Capsules 60,000 IU full guide. Take one 60,000 IU capsule weekly or follow your provider. Swallow with a meal that contains fat to aid absorption. I will cover how to time doses, when to check blood levels, and what symptoms to watch for. This guide helps you use D3 safely and confidently while encouraging discussion with your clinician. Weekly 60,000 IU dosing is common for repletion, but individual needs vary, so test and tailor treatment with your clinician. Take the capsule with a fatty meal to boost absorption and keep a simple schedule so you do not miss doses. If you forget a dose, do not double up. Consult your provider for instructions. Regular monitoring ensures effective and safe restoration of vitamin D levels. High-dose D3 is generally well tolerated when supervised, but watch for signs of excess like nausea, weakness, or increased thirst. Periodic blood tests check 25OH vitamin D and serum calcium to prevent toxicity. If you experience severe symptoms, stop dosing and contact your healthcare provider right away. Keep records of supplements and medications to avoid interactions that might raise calcium.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.